So have you started a new business but you're worried about competition on the internet? I have some news for you in this video. Now before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. So you started a new business and you're worried about competition on the internet. Well, I'm here to tell you that you really don't need to worry about competition at all. There are so many users on the internet and so many people who are hungry for products and services that it's okay that there's multiple vendors. Sure, there's giants out there that have a larger share of the market, but there's healthy competition out there for everyone. If you want to look at real numbers, here's the numbers for you. Now this is a few years old, but as of 2019, there were 312 million users on the internet. And that's just the United States alone. That's almost every single person in the United States, not to mention internationally. So what are the chances that you're going to have a problem with competition? Well, if you're really worried, you should always try to stand out from the competition. Have something different, have some flair. Really dive in and research what it is about your marketing that needs to be different or you want to be different from other people. Another thing to be aware of is that you don't necessarily have to reinvent the wheel to be flashy and inventive and more noticeable. Forever and ever, people have been recycling things that have already been published. Do some research, go out and see what other competitors are doing, and try to mimic their style, or take the good pieces from everything that you see that you like, that you think a customer will like, and make your own brand. There's so many benefits to having competition in that you can see who's doing well, who's doing poorly, what to do, what not to do. It's nothing but a huge database that's a roadmap for success. If you really want to stand out, try to get super specific with what it is you're advertising. Don't lock yourself into a corner so that no one will want your product. You can certainly specialize in something that maybe no one else has specialized in before. Maybe you'll find your own little niche that no one else has touched, that is just begging for someone to come up with a product or services just for that. So if you have any concerns about getting started on the internet because of competition, don't. Get out there, get on the net, start your business. You can do it. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.